Let's get to know the very basics of our ActiveCampaign account. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate your account and get oriented with your account settings. First, let's log into your account. On this page, you'll be prompted to enter your account name. The account name is the same name that was emailed to you after you first signed up. Then click Login. Then you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Once you log in, you'll be presented with the Goals dashboard. This is your home page where you can track your success with business goals at a glance and access Active Intelligence features. You can always return to the Business Goals dashboard by clicking the ActiveCampaign icon at the top left corner of your screen. On the left, you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where you can access key features like Active Intelligence Workspace, contacts, emails, automations, deals, website, and reports. Depending on your strategy needs, you can also add on features like SMS and WhatsApp messaging. At the top right, you can access your account settings by clicking the gear icon. This is where you'll be able to update and configure your account and sending domain. More on that later. You'll also find quick access to chat with us for support, community resources, and profile settings. Clicking your profile gives you access to your billing information, support resources, and the ability to log out of your account. And that's it. Now you're ready to configure your account and start growing your business with ActiveCampaign.